My beloved students, welcome to Maths class 11. So today let's have a discussion about matrix multiplication. It's so easy concept, everyone must learn that because to solve all questions in this chapter, matrix multiplication is so important. You people have to learn this. So now I explain how to do that. Look at the students. Matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Yes, matrix multiplication. So how to do that? So simple. You buy at these things. First row into first column, comma, next first row into second column, next first row into first row into third column, and so on. This continues. It depends on how many columns that second matrix will have. So many columns that second matrix will have. So same thing continue. Next, you go for second row, first column. First column. Next, second row into second column. Next, second row into third column. So on. This continues. So next, third row into first column. Next, third row into second column. Next, third row into third column. This is how you people have to go for multiplication. This is how we do that multiplication. Remember that first row into first column, bracket, first row, second column, first row, third column. If there is one more column, you go for first row, fourth column. If there is one more column, you go for first row, fifth column, so on. Next, after all columns gets over, you go for second row and you do the same thing. Follow the same procedure. Need not to change the procedure. You see this second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into third column. Still, if there is one more column, you go for that second row, fourth column, so on. So same thing. Similarly, you go for third row. If the matrix has only two rows, so you stop here itself. If the matrix has three rows, you go for that next step. If the matrix has four rows, you go for one more step. This is how we go for multiplying. Totally speaking, multiplication means row into column. Keep that in mind. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, so on. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, so on. This continues. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, so on. This continues. Now, Still I am going to give some shortcuts. So simple cuts, right? Look at this. So yes, this is row, first element, second element, sorry, I am going to give you a simple shortcut. First element, row, this is row. So first element, this is column. You see, row is having only one element, column is having only one element. If row contains only one element, column contains only one element, then you should go for this one. How to multiply that? It is first element into first element. That's all. If row contains only one element, column contains only one element, first element into first element. I am going to give one more example. Look at this. Here, first element, second element. This is row. Next, first element. Next, second element. You observe the students. So first row is having two elements. First element, second element. First column is having two elements, first element, second element. Then how to multiply row into column? This is column. Then how to multiply row into column? So here is a simple way, here is a simple technique. You multiply first element into first element plus second element into second element. This is the way. This is how. So we go for multiplying. So if row contains two elements, column contains two elements, first into first plus second into second. If there is one more element in the row and one more element in the column, you go for plus third into third. First into, you remember this is so simple. First into first plus second into second. If there is one more, third into third. Still if there is one more, fourth into fourth. First into first plus second into second. If there is one more, third into third. Still if there is one more, fourth into fourth. If I take one example, so this concept will be so clear. So try to understand. So look at this. I am going to take. It's so easy. I explain with an example. If first question, if matrix A equals 6, 9, 2, 3, matrix B equals 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. Find AB. Find the product AB. Look, carefully observe. Because based on this concept, You people have to attend 5 more questions in your annual exams. Learn this properly. Look at the board. AB required. AB means A into B. That is multiplication between A and B. So I substitute for matrix A. Matrix A 6, 9, 2, 3. So B, what is B? 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. Right. Now you go for multiplying. As I told you earlier, row into column. Multiplication is nothing but row into column. You take first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Don't get any confusions with this. Right. First row, first column. I am taking first row, first column. First element into first element plus second element into second. So you see that figure I have given before now. You see that clearly. It will be clear. So right. First element into first. 6 2s are 12 plus second element into second element. First element of first row, first element of first column. Second element of first row, second element of first column. So 9 7s are 63. Next, first row, first column over. You go for first row, second column. First row, second column. 6 6s are 36 plus 9 9s are 81. You go for first row, third column. First row, third column. 6 into 0 0 plus 9 8s are 56. No, sorry. 72. So first row, third column, 0, 9 8s are. Yes. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. All the columns got over. So if that is the case, you go for next row. Now you take the second row. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Second row. First element, second element. First into first plus second into second. 2 2s are 4 plus 7 3s are 21. 2 6s are 12. 9 3s are 27. Next, 2 into 0 0. 24. I hope it's over. It seems. First row, first column. 6 2s are 12. 9 7s are 63. First row, second column, 36. 9 9s are 81. First row, third column, 0. 8 9s are 72. Second row, first column, 4. 7 3s are 21. Second row, second column, 12. 27. Second row, third column, 0. 27. Okay. So you just simplify this. 3 plus 2 5. 6 plus 1 7. 75. You have these two. 6 plus 1 7. 11. Next. 72. Next. 25. Next. 9. 39. Next, 24. This is AB. Right. How much is AB? 75, 117, 72, 25, 39, 24. Let us solve one more question. I hope you are understanding. It's so easy. Next question. If A equals matrix A equals, so write 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. B equals 2 3 4 5 2 1 2 1. Find AB and BA. Show that AB is not equal to BA. So easy. Whatever the question is, your procedure of multiplication is same. Every time you use same procedure. So for that you by heart that first row first column, first row second column, row into column, first row third column, so on. Next second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, so on. Next third row first column, third row second column, third row third column, so on, right? So let us go for that solution. AB. So A is 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. So B is 2 3 4 5 2 1. As usual, first row first column, multiply that. First row first column. First row is having 3 elements, first column is having 3 elements. How to multiply that? First into first plus second into second plus third into third. First element of first row, first element of first column plus second element of first row into second element of first column. Next plus third element of first row into third element of first column. It's so easy. So there is no question of confusing, right? 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 2s are 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Next 3 2s are 6 plus 6. First element into first element plus second element into second element plus third element into third element. First row first column over. Now you go for first row second column. First into first, 1 3s are 3. So next, second into second, minus 2 5s are minus 10. Third into third, 3 1s are 3. So right, first row, second column, over. We don't have one more column. One more column is not there, means it get over, it seems. It got over. Now you move on to second row. First column. Minus 4 2s are minus 8. Second row first column. 2 4s are plus 8. 2 4s are first into first, second into second, plus 5 2s are 10. Plus 10. Next, second row second column. Minus 4 3s are minus 12. So 2 5s are 10. So next 5 1s are 5. So right. Now let us write simplified form of this. 6 plus 2 8. 8 minus 8 0. 3 plus 3 6. 6 minus 10 minus 4. 8 get cancels. This is 10. Here it is plus 5. Minus 12 plus 10 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 3. We got AB. BA. Tell me how much is B? Right. B is 2 3 4 5 2 1. A is A 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. Method is same. Whatever the matrices are, whatever the given matrices are, you follow the same method. Right? Now look at this. Okay. First row first column. 2 1s are 2. First into first. 3 into minus 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 12. First row second column. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 3 2s are 6. So right. First row third column. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. First row, third column. 2 3s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Second row, first column. 4 1s are 4. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 5 4s are minus 20. Second row, second column. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus 8. 5 2s are 10. Second row, third column. 4 3s are 12. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 25. 12 25. Third row, first column. 2 1s are 2. Minus 4. Third row, second column. Minus 4. Minus 4. 2 1s are 2. Plus 2. Third row, second column. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5. Now you simplify that. You simplify that. BA. Right. 2 minus 12 minus 10. Minus 4 plus 6 minus 4, it is 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 15 plus 6, 21. 21. 4 minus 20 minus 16. 10 minus 8, 2. 25 plus 12, 7. 3, 37. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Minus 2. 6 plus 5, 11. You observe, students, we calculated both AP and BA. From this it is so clear, AP is not equal to BA. The product AB is completely different from the product BA. They are not equal. Matrix multiplication, in matrix multiplication, AP not always equal to BA. In matrix multiplication, AB is not always equal to BA. That means matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. I write some examples. You only try at home. So write. You try that. Find 1 minus 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. So here we have product. Product is there, means you should go for multiplying. Find out this product. Second question. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 into 1 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 5. You solve these two questions by yourself, on yourself. Thank you students, you learned. If you get doubt, call me. So I always be with you for to help. If you get any doubt, please call me. Thank you.